Hi, Mo, Powerline Industries. How the heck are you? Hey, no messing around on this video. I'm going to go over our Pro Pack 2, we've called it over the years, which is our Enviro system. I don't have a whole lot of videos on that, so I want to walk through. This is our big 8 at 3,000 minimum. We probably run 8 at 3,500. I'm dressed up. We got a nice class in today. God bless everyone who's come in. A lot of them have done really well. Some haven't, but at least they took a shot. One sure way to know you'll fail is to never try. I like that. Okay. So after all these years of building equipment, I love this rig. I just wanted to come out. I got Freddie here holding the camera.
Yep.
Let's do a quick walk around. So the power unit on the front, this is all California compliant. Come on around here where you can see it, Freddie.
Yeah.
It's the 800 GXI. It's the big new Honda. Sweet engine. Throttle. Again, it's carb compliant. General pump. Love those guys. What a pump. Dual filters feeding the pump. Keep those clean. So that's the skid. You can put a diesel on this. You can put almost whatever you want except for California. So we got the 800 GXI, and we do have a diesel that's California compliant with Kubota. Okay, just want to do the walk around and show how cool this unit is. This gentleman opted for the upgrade on the signs and the toolboxes. I mean, this is nice. Strobe light signage. We designed that in-house. Come on around, Freddie. 6 lugger. So each axle's 5K, so this is a 10K trailer. Come on out back. This Pro Pack 2, which I've called it, or Enviro 2, come on around here. We've got the vacuum surface cleaner. It's a Hydrotech, no big surprise there. Beautiful vacuum. It vacuums to the rear, which we like. I've tried them all. Steel Eagle builds the surface cleaner, so you've got 2 complete surface cleaners on board. That's got to be tied down before he hooks up and rolls. Big Steel Eagle vacuum. This vacuum hose reel will hold a lot of hose. Pretty much power's limited on electric to 100 feet. That's realistic. Come on around, Freddie.
Okay, sir.
Real simple hydro loop system. Inside's got a pre-separation tank. On this unit, we got the inline separator. Yeah, here's some of the accessories that come with it. So the vacuum, the scupper, the hose dam. Want to make sure everything was there. That's a powerful vacuum. It's got the plumbing toolboxes. You're not going to be able to break into these unless you got a torch or hacksaw, powered saw. Stacked hose reel, all reinforced on there, nice. Hose reels made in the U.S., trailer in the U.S., toolboxes U.S., vacuum cleaners in the U.S., skid U.S. This, probably not, but it is California compliant. I don't know where the generator's made. All I know is that was a G-note, so hell of a generator on here. Oh, we got the inverted. Wow, okay. Lucky guy there, man. That's a hell of a generator. So that's to power the vacuum system. So again, this is our Enviro Pack 2. Probably our best seller. You can also upgrade to a gas engine vacuum if you're really sucking a long way. But any questions, give us a call. This is also super water compliant. So we got to clean no matter what, drought or whatever. This uses far less water than somebody garden hosing it. And we've got to keep our municipal buildings, hospitals, daycare, those type facilities have got to stay clean. So that's going to go on forever. Thank you. Bye.